Hey everyone, my name is Jal Patel and welcome back to my channel. I am starting a new series where I have to solve the LeetCode problem step by step and explain the logic and help you actual understanding how to approach the problem now, not just memorize the solution. If you are preparing for coding interviews or improving the DSA, this series is for you. Today I am solving the lead code problem number 258, which is add digit. It is easy. So first I have solved it and I am showing how to solve it to you. You have given an integer. Okay, you have to repeatedly add all the digit until the result has only one digit in its return where the problem statement is. So for this input, for one first example input, if input is 38, then output is 2. Explanation, the process is to solve is like 38 means 3 plus 8 you have to do. You have addition of for the sum 3 plus 8 is equals to 11. If 11 v plus 1 is equals to 2, the output comes out and it is in single digit, so we have to return it. If there is only single digit in the input, the same output we will receive. Here I am showing you how to solve this question. This question is solved by giving two two approaches, but we will use only one by showing this small optimized code. Here is the code I am typing. First we will take int add digit. Here we will take a int number. We will use if number equals to 0, then return 0. If number is modulus of 9 equals to 0, then return 9, and at last return number percent modulus 9, and here is the solution. Okay, wait, sorry for that. Oh sorry, this here is spelling mistake. Here is the solution. This video conducts only this problem statement. Thank you for watching, and this is my first video. Please like, share and subscribe it. Okay.